Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back and Merry Christmas to you all. HOA and I wish you guys a very, very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everybody. We hope the new year is full of joy and peace and love for you all. So thank you guys so much for being here with us tonight. I love Christmas Eve. It's such an awesome time of year, and I'm really hoping we're going to do something amazing tonight. So let's get started. This is a 15 by 30 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with my black color. Let me show you the colors we're working with because I'm so excited about this. This one is the star of the show tonight. This is based off of a color that was available a couple of years ago. Some of you may remember. It was from Art Minds and it was called Mysterious. And it was so beautiful. And then my friend Gina DeLuca came up with a recipe to make this using this DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in emerald green and mixing it with a sapphire. I was out of the sapphire tonight, so I mixed it with some of my Prussian Blue, and I just love this color. Oh, isn't that beautiful, HOA? Mm-hmm. Just gorgeous. Really, really excited about this one. I haven't used this color in a while. And it's really, really pretty. When it dries, it's just gorgeous. So that's the emerald green and a little bit of Prussian Blue. And then I have this one here, which is my Pebeo Studios Iridescent Green Blue. And this is the last of my tubes, so I need to order some more. But I love this color. I love how it works. So I think that's going to be beautiful with that mysterious color. We also have some Prussian Blue from Golden. Gorgeous stuff. My pouring medium tonight is my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss with Floetrol. And you can watch a video called Night of 1,000 Stars. Somebody had asked me about what the ratio is. If you're using heavy gel gloss or extra heavy gel gloss, I would go 4:1 Floetrol to gel gloss. If you're using a soft gel gloss or just regular gel gloss, go 3:1. And what I usually do is I mix up a big huge tub. I pour about 2 ounces if I'm using a 16-ounce cup. If I'm using a 9-ounce cup, I use about 1 ounce of the pouring medium. I put about 1 ounce of paint in there. I mix it all up, and then I fill up the cup with Floetrol. So there you go. You can watch Night of 1,000 Stars, though, and that'll give you a little bit better idea how I do that. This one is Amsterdam Pearl Yellow. I'm using this instead of white, which is a little bit risky because there are a couple of darker colors, and we really do need that light to contrast, but I'm confident that this one is going to be beautiful. So we'll see. This one dries so pretty too. It's like a beautiful light champagne gold. Very, very pretty. And of course, my DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. The queen of the universe. So my game plan tonight, oh, and I also have this Basecoat, which is my Indigo, my current little love affair that I've been having. The Prussian Blue with a little bit of lamp black mixed into it. Gorgeous. We'll love this. And I love using this as a base coat because it dries so beautiful and dark. Very deep, but it's a little warmer than black. So we're going to put down a base coat and we're going to layer a cup, and then we're going to pour a WanderRing ring pour across this and see what happens, because I think this is going to be really, really pretty. Okay, so let's start off. I'm actually going to start with a little bit of that pearl yellow. And then we're going to go right into the mysterious. Such a pretty color. I love that. And then we're going to put some of this iridescent green blue. And a little bit more of the pearl yellow. And some gold. And we're going to go into our Prussian. And then we're going to go back to the pearl yellow. And some mysterious again. It's such a beautiful color. I'm really having a lot of fun with mixing up my own colors or customizing them a little bit, making them a little darker or a little bit lighter. It's just a lot of fun. Let's put some Prussian on there now. Go back to our pearl yellow. Some gold. So that's only the second layer of gold. Watch how much gold is going to come out. Really pretty there with the mysterious. Let's put some Prussian on top of that. And a little bit of this. And then we're going to actually end it with the pearl white and the pearl yellow. Okay. Okay, so now we have this beautiful 15 by 30, and we are going to be doing a wandering ring pour across. I'm not going to put the whole base coat down now, but I do want to put a line of the indigo on here. I'm going to tilt this way a little bit, just to spread it out a touch. Okay. Okay. Enough talk. Let's pour. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Start over here.
Oh, take me out. Okay.
Alrighty, here we go. And we're gonna go kind of fast. So.
Okay.
Here we go. That's pretty cool looking. I love all of this, and I love these lines that we're getting in here. And this part's really, really pretty. Okay. So now we're going to take our flow extender and go along this edge. And I am actually going to spread that out a little bit with the spatula. There's probably enough paint on here at this point that we don't really need to, but I'd rather make sure that my sides and corners and edges are all covered up. And also, you know, give our paint something to slide on.
He has a thirsty canvas?
A dry canvas.
Oh, sorry. Don't! Is it dry canvas?
It's a thirsty canvas. Very good, darling. Okay.
I do more than just sit here and look pretty, you know.
But you do look so pretty, though. Okay. Alrighty. So let's give this a quick torch. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to actually take it over that edge to anchor that side, since the weight of the paint is there anyway. We're going to use that to our advantage and just go over the edge and then bring it back. And I'm going to do the same thing over this corner and bring it back. That corner I'm going to put some of the base coat on. And if we end up tilting over that corner again, that's fine. If we don't, that's okay too. I am okay with that. Either way. Okay, so let's tilt this out now. Let's see what happens. Find the weight of the paint. I wouldn't mind leaving some negative space on here. And I'm just going to walk it down. So this just distributes the weight of the paint across the canvas. Take that down.
It's looking like a half a tornado.
I don't think I like that little edge. What the? There we go. You know, looking at this is really pretty, and I love this color palette, but what's really striking to me is over here with a lot of that pearl yellow in it. So you know what I think I want to do? I think I want to layer another cup. So I'm actually going to tilt this and take most of it off, and then we're going to pour it again with a lot more of the pearl yellow. So we end up getting that contrast. Okay, that's cool right by itself too. I don't like to settle. You know, I mean, I realize a lot of people are like, oh, it was really pretty, why did you do that? But if it's not something that I'm happy with, what's the point? So if I have paint left, which I do, I'm going to use it. So this time I'm going to use more of the pearl yellow because I really like that contrast. And I think we're going to go with thicker layers too, so we don't get as much blending. And layer everything lighter. Can you see? Sorry. Oop, slippery cups. Beautiful color. Love that. Let's try that again. Okay. Alright. Let's take this a little bit more. Let's see if any more of this wants to go off. It's very pretty. I love those colors together. It makes me very happy. I just want to be able to leave negative space. And if I left that up high like that, we wouldn't really be able to. Drip off right there. Now, that looks pretty cool by itself. I can't stress enough how important it is to not rush this process. Take your time. Enjoy the process. Okay. We're going to start over here.
That's your wish.
Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love. I last that I am.
My pirate.
Arr.
Here we go. See, that's good. There's a lot of contrast in there this time. We're getting more of that pearl yellow. Which is so pretty. Okay. Alright, see, this is gorgeous in here. I'm loving this, and I'm loving this part too. Alright. So just like last time, we're going to go over that bottom edge just a tiny bit. I'm going to move the weight of the paint over there. And then just take that off that corner. Okay. Now we're going to tilt this. Nice and slow. I think I'd like this side to be a little bit bigger. So we're going to go this way first. We're going to take it down. Maybe a little bit more. We're getting some interesting lines up there at the top. Just leave that corner of negative space. think?
Oh, I think it's really cool. I like how graphic it is.
And it kind of reminds me of a Christmas tree.
I see it.
A close up of a Christmas tree. It's pretty cool though. I love all these little cells that we're getting in here and the gold coming up through in here, and I love this spot. Really, really pretty. And getting that beautiful mysterious color and a little bit of blending of the Prussian and the gold together is giving us this like almost purpley color. And the mysterious over here and then gradient down. Cool. So all that looks white is actually the pearl yellow, and it's going to dry that really pretty champagne gold. Though
I like that edge. I like the edge.
the edge, I love the edges. Okay. All right, I think we are gonna stop there. So this is looking pretty cool though. I do love all of these lines. I really like wandering ring pours. I think they're beautiful, and I love the shape that we got here with it rising up in the center a little bit more. Cool. I love the base coat color with that indigo. I really like the contrast between the indigo and that mysterious color in there. So pretty. And again along in here with the pearl yellow and the iridescent green blue and the Prussian. Really cool. So this is fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas break and a happy holiday season. I was so excited today. It was Friday. It was my kids' last day of school. And just so nice to not have to stress about getting up and getting dressed and getting out the door, and just be able to spend time together as a family is wonderful. We wish you a very, very happy holiday season, and I will show you this one when it's dry. Thanks for being here with us, and thank you for being here with us throughout this year. You guys are amazing and have made this a lot of fun, and I appreciate y'all so much. So come and see us in Dublin at Fluid Art Boutique at the Fitzpatrick Castle and Hotel. We're going to paint in a castle, which is going to be awesome. And we're going to have a lot of fun there. So check out our website at www.fluidartboutique.com. And hopefully we'll see you there.